Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back. All right, let's keep talking about graphs and representing data. Math hat on, and let's go. Okay, so on Tuesday, I showed you the information from the survey that you guys took. Would you rather be an eagle or a whale? And I represented that data in some different ways. Also, yesterday, I took my data from my survey of do you like chocolate, yes or no, and I showed you my bar graph that I made. And I'll show you that. I'll share my screen with you. Okay, here's the bar graph that I made from my survey here, from this, and I turned it into a bar graph. Today, I'm going to represent that same information, that same data in a different way. I'm going to try a pie chart. Notice how I have a circle here in the shape of a pie, and I'm going to turn this into my data to represent my survey. So I just simply took a cup that I had at home, and I took my pencil and I circled, like I traced around it, so that way I can have a pretty good circle. And so let me go back and look at my survey here, because when I divide, or when I make my slices into my pie, I want to make sure that my slices are accurate and that it represents the number of yeses or the number of nos. And since I know I had more teachers that said yes, I know that slice of my pie needs to be larger. So let's see. If I take it, maybe if I go, and I'm just freehanding it, doing my best. But I don't want it to be even. And so that's why I think it's important that you use a pencil, because so you can erase. Especially when it comes to math, you want to always use a pencil so you can go back and fix and make changes, okay? It's kind of hard to do that if I were to use a marker. I'll have to start all the way over. And so, let's see, maybe I do like that, and I cut a large slice out to represent my 3. I think that looks pretty good. This is much larger than that side. Makes me think of the game Pac-Man. Like, okay. So here's my yes, and here's my no. So I can write yes right on there if I wanted to, and no. Or I could even make a legend or a little key for whoever is going to look at my data so they can easily interpret my data. So maybe if I make red yes, get my favorite color blue here, and I'll make blue no. And then I could color in my no, and color in my yes, just like that. There we go. And then so if someone were to look at my pie chart, like, huh, so this person asked people if they like chocolate. And over here, they could see that more said yes than those that said no. And you can even, if you want, you can even write the total number if you want to list the total number there. Then that way, that could give the reader, the person who's looking and reading and interpreting your graph, the option to add up to find out the total number of people that you even asked. And that could be like a little challenge for your parents, or maybe you can challenge your teachers and say, how many people did I ask? So the day before, I made a bar graph, one that's vertical, up and down. Today, I made a pie chart. So, same thing, boys and girls. Take your data from your survey that you created and represent it another way, a different way, different from what you did the day before. Okay? All right. All right. Have fun, boys and girls, collecting data and representing that data in many ways. See you tomorrow. Bye.